Is the grayness of winter getting you down? Well, let's lighten things up by making our own snowman. Hi, this is Tweek, so let's go. Making a snowman. I got a ball jar online, and it's a short little squatty one, which was perfect. And then I ordered some plastic. These are snow globe. I'm going to take the two pieces off the snow globe, and that's what I'm going to use right there to make my snowman. So what we do is we take and get some Mod Podge. And we're going to just put a light coat of Mod Podge inside each of these. Get my brush. We only need a little bit. I'm not even going to dump it out. I'm just going to go inside. And I'm just turning this as I go and just letting the glue go up the sides. And see how it's coating? Making sure it's not being too careful. If it looks smudgy, that's fine. Now this is a snowman. He's made of snow. And I'm going to take glitter and dump glitter in there. This can get a little bit messy. And then I'm just going to shake it around. And just roll the glitter around. Now I'm going to use this again. I'm going to try to contain the glitter a little bit and just gently tap it back into the container. And as I'm doing that, I'm letting it rest on the edge on the inside because I want as much as possible of his little head inside to be snow covered, glitter covered. Okay, I'm going to tap out the excess. There's no way to get around it. You're going to get glitter hither and yon. See, and then once you get it covered, you set it aside to dry. That's his top now. Let's do this one. Get a ball jar. Get you out of the way. And I'm going to take a little more glue. See, not much. Looks pretty good from this angle. And then look on the inside, make sure I get some on the bottom. Okay, I like that. Done there. Now let's get the glitter again. Where'd I put you? I'll be careful now because I don't have the lid on. And you know when it doesn't come out anymore, you know that it has stuck. It's stuck to the glue. That's exactly what we want. And then as this dries, it'll become more opaque. And you'll be able to see through it better. So right now, you've got this milky looking Mod Podge with the glitter. And after a few hours, it will look like this. It's a little more translucent. See how you can see my fingers through the glass? So we've got our bottom and the head. Let you guys just sit over there and dry. And what we're going to do next is put lights into the head. And here's what we're going to do. Representation here. These are fairy lights. I ordered them online. I like them because they're battery operated. So you can rechange. You can change the batteries when they run out, which is nice. I don't need this here. I was just using it for demonstration. But what I'm going to do is take the fairy lights and just play around and pull them apart a little bit. I'm going to take the end and push it up into the head. Just very easily. We want about maybe a half of it to go into the head, and the rest will sit down in the base. If you want to see how you're doing better, like how you're distributing the lights, you can turn it on into here. Just let it fold in. You push it in. Isn't that cute? I'm saying you're cute and you don't even have your eyes or anything yet. So push it in. So you have your little snowman. He's got light in the top of his head and light in the bottom, and that's good. Now comes arms. The arms are made of pipe cleaners. So I'm going to take 3 black pipe cleaners. They're kind of fuzzy, but you know, you can get thinner ones if you want, but I like the fuzzy ones. So I'm going to, on the pipe cleaner, I'm going to come around, not quite halfway. What I'm going to do is start twisting, and I'm going to leave enough space at the top for the fingers. Okay, so I'm going to start there and just start twisting. I'm twisting these 3 together, and I left, see, little fingers. We're going to pose those later. No fuss here, just twisting it around so it stays together. Let's see, do we really want it to be that big? I'm going to give it another twist. I want his arms to be a little more symmetrical there. Well, okay, that's good. So this is what we've got. Now we've got this hanging here. And I'm just going to very carefully, I'm going to take some glue around the edge of that glass and come around not quite halfway, because I want to glue that to the back, and then I'm going to pull the arms out to the side so he looks like that. Okay? So for right now, I'm going to use this spot. There's like 2 spots on the jar, and I'm going to use that to my advantage to put some glue in there and then set this in place. Glue, come here. This time I'm using a little bit more glue because I want that pipe cleaner to stick. So there it is. To see what I'm doing. I'm keeping the glue away from the wire for the lights. See how quickly that sticks? And I can go ahead and let this cover up the wire a little bit. And we're going to hide that wire entirely if all goes well. And none of this you're going to see because we're going to cover it up with this scarf. So you're going to see his little arms sticking up. This is good. Got our little snowman, we want to add a scarf. So I'm going to work with this piece of fabric here. I've used felt. This is just a piece of cotton fabric I had laying around. And I'm just going to pull the fabric in on itself. I think I'm actually just going to cut it in half. This is when, do you want a thick scarf? Do you want a thin scarf? I want a thinner scarf. Okay, I'm just going to take the fabric and I'm just going to pull it in like that and like that with glue and make a seam. Okay, now once that's set, I'm going to use this scarf and come around both sides and let it rest in the front of the snowman. Very simple, just like that. Now what I have to do here is I want to put the arms down. Okay. Then I'll put the scarf on. He's so cute. I laugh all the way making these things because they're so cute. So his scarf is going to go like that. I'm going to glue it, and his arms are going to come up. So that's what I'm going to do. Let's get some more glue on this here. I've got some of the glue on the glass and some on the pipe cleaner. And I will add more, but right now I just want to go about half and half. If it's a little bit off, that's fine. I'm going to try to cover up the pipe cleaner so you can't see it, but also make sure that this fabric is going to stick to the glass. And I'm going to pull this around front and glue. So I've got the start of my scarf right there. As you can see, I'm going to put a little more here to fix that little area there. And while he sets, I'm going to switch over to another one that I did in the felt. So here we are. Turn them on. And we've got this in place. I cut a little bit of fringe on the bottom. His head is loose, so I'll take care of that. And here's the wire. And this is where I want to try to hide the wire a little bit and run it up the arm. And to do that, I'm going to undo this guy a little bit here. All right, so here's the wire, and I'm just going to very gently let the wire tuck in around. So you're just going to wind it back up. Like I said, it doesn't really matter a whole lot. This is a branch. If you see a little bit of the wire, that's no big deal. And he's got 2 little fingers left here. You see how I covered up the wire? Because he's going to be holding on to a sled. So the little fingers are going to come over the sled. And the way I constructed the sled is this piece here pops into the spot on the back of the sled. And then his little fingers come around the top because he's hanging onto that sled. If you want to see how I made these sleds, click on the link above. So next we've got Snowy, our sled. We've got our on-off switch hidden. I love that. Let me look at you from the front. Yeah, that looks nice. He needs a face. He needs a hat. He also needs a little bird friend. So let's do the hat. This is made out of sticky felt and a toilet paper roll and a little bit of augmentation in the fabric. So if you want to see how I made this, there's another link right above. Go ahead and click there. This is going to determine where his face is going to be. So I've got my hat. It's a little bit ratty looking, but you know what? It's an old hat. Right, Snowman? We wouldn't put a new hat on you, would we? So anyways, we're going to attach the hat to the head. That is, again, hot glue. You can see how I constructed the hat, so I can push down a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to go around, get a nice glob of glue. And now I'm going to look, make sure the seam's in the back, and I'm just going to press it. You can put it whatever angle you want, but I'm just going to give it a nice, long press. Cute little hat, huh? Yeah, just a toilet paper roll and some sticky felt. Hat's on. We'll attach the head in a minute. Let's add a face. For the face, I'm going to use buttons. These are all buttons. Some little black buttons. You know, he did have a button nose. I keep forgetting that in the song, Frosty, with a corncob pipe and a button nose. I always used carrots, so that's what I'm going to use today. Carrots for our snowman. These 2 are buttons I found online. So I've got big buttons, bigger buttons for his eyes, and then a carrot button for his nose. So let's look at our little guy here. And I'm just going to go ahead and put 2 dots of glue to put his eyes on. 1, 2. I'm not even measuring. I'm just, however he turns out, he turns out. That's part of the fun. Here's a button, and I'm going to put it so that the glue kind of presses through. Okay, press through. You see how you still get a little bit of light through his eyes? That's kind of neat. Okay, we got his eyes set. Next, we set the nose. Nose. Where are we going to put the nose? You can set how do you want his nose to go? Up, down, over, which way? I think I'm going to do it like that. I'm going to have it a little bit different than the others. Just stick it right between his eyeballs. Here you go, little guy. Let's set. Does he look a little odd? Well, let's add his smile. So I've got these little teeny buttons here. Okay, so I'm just going to add a couple of dots. 1, 2, I'll do 3 at a time. 3. I think he looks pretty friendly. Would you like your head to be attached? Yes, so we're going to push the lights back in. Here's what he's going to look like. Get rid of these little glue strings. Oh, you Oh, cute. Okay, so now I'm going to take a little bit of glue and let this sit better. I don't want its head to fall out. We don't have to get in there to the lights, so I just want to add a little bit of blobby glue here, away from the lights, just enough to hold his head in place against the glass, making sure his face is pressing out. Oh my God, you're being so cute. So there's his little sled. He's got his face. What does he need? Oh, you need one more thing. And I don't know why, but I think they always look nicer if they have a bird with them. So I made a bunch of little cardinals. I know I say it a lot, but these are adorable. These are just little pom-pom birds that I came up with. I made cardinals, and if you want to see how I did those, there'll be another link above. Click there and you'll see how we did that. But look at how he's got three little fingers here, and we just, however we want, he could be sitting on the hat, but I like when the little bird is sitting in his fingers. So I just cup the fingers a little bit, like the birdie's going to sit there. Okay? See? And now I'm just going to add a little bit of glue inside the fingers. Instead of putting it on the bird, I'm going to put it on the fingers so that the bird can nest there in the fingers. You can see that. Not too much glue. And now, however he's going to sit, he's going to sit. I'm just smiling through this whole thing because I just really, really love this project. So we've got strands to pick off. Birdie, let me see. Can I see how you look? Oh my goodness. Look at you. You can bend his arm away or a little bit forward or up or down. Make the bird look a little more towards you or towards him. And he's got his sled and he's got his bird. Now the one I just made, I used some green felt. But you can use pieces of cotton fabric. You can use this one here as an old scarf. And once you make the body, augment it with whatever fabrics you want to use. Out comes the colors and the personality. Then you add the birds, and you've got it. Once all the holiday decorations are down, these little guys, they're going to brighten up any cold winter night you run into. See you again. If you enjoyed this video, here's another you may like. And here's a playlist of other projects that you might enjoy.